Hello everyone, this is Samir. Welcome to my channel EasyGate. Now we are starting our next lecture on types of network elements. Basically, network elements are divided into 5 types. In that, first one is linear and non-linear elements. Second one is bilateral and unilateral elements, or we can say bidirectional and unidirectional elements. Third one is active and passive elements. Fourth one is time invariant and time variant elements. Fifth one is distributed and lumped elements. Now come to the first one, that is linear and non-linear elements. Characteristics of linear elements always passes through origin in the form of straight line. To understand linear elements, we will take an example. Look at this example. In this example, it is a characteristics of some element which is a straight line and it is passing through origin. It is a straight line and passing through origin. That means this characteristics curve is a characteristics curve of a linear element. Now look at this example. In this example, we can see it is a straight line but it is not passing through origin. That means it is a non-linear element. Now look at this example. In this example, we can see that this curve is passing through origin but it is not a straight line. So hence it is not a linear element. That means it is a non-linear element. So a element is linear element when the characteristics is a straight line and passing through origin. It must follow these two conditions, otherwise it is non-linear elements. Now look at the example for the linear elements. RLC elements are the linear elements. That means resistor, inductor, capacitor are linear elements. And the examples of non-linear elements are diode, BJT, MOSFET. That means all the device characteristics are non-linear elements. Now look at some more examples of linear and non-linear elements. Look at this. This is a characteristics curve of a resistor in VI plane, which is a straight line and passing through origin. That means resistor is a linear element. Now look at here. This is a characteristics curve of a inductor in psi I plane, which is a straight line and passing through origin. That means inductor is also a linear element. Now look at this. This is a characteristics curve of capacitor in QV plane, which is a straight line and passing through origin. That means capacitor also a linear element. Now look at these examples. This is the forward bias characteristics of diode, which is passing through origin but not a straight line. That means diode is a non-linear device. Now look at this. This is the output characteristics of BJT, which is passing through origin but not a straight line. That means BJT also a non-linear device. Now look at here. This is the transfer characteristics of MOSFET, which is passing through origin but not a straight line. That means MOSFET also a non-linear device. In the next lecture, we will be discussing about bilateral and unilateral elements. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.